Making money is great, but knowing what to do with it is what can really separate the financially successful from those who struggle. Hi, I'm Karen with Rain, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some great insight on the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 budget rule is a way to split up your after-tax income to manage your money wisely and efficiently. When you have finished paying the taxes on your paycheck, 50% should go to your needs, 30% should go to your wants, and 20% should go towards your savings. Let's start with the essentials, the 50% of your income. Your needs are things like home, your electric bill, food, water, car, the costs you need to pay each month to ensure that you're clean, sheltered, and employed. In an ideal world, your needs should not require more than 50% of your post-tax income. If you find that when you split your post-tax income and 50% will not cover your needs, then you may need to cut costs like downsizing, using less electricity, and shopping at discounted grocery stores. Budget for your wants, which is 30% of your income. Although it can unfortunately be the reality, no one wants to work exclusively to pay for their needs. Budgeting 30% of your income towards your wants is a great way to stay motivated and keep yourself and your family happy. Now, you save what's left, which is 20% of your income. Ideally, you should save 20% of your income for savings. This can be immediate savings or long-term retirement savings. The better you are at saving, the easier it's going to be to retire someday. If you can't imagine putting 20% of your income away right now, start slow. Start by saving 5% every week for a few months, and then build to 10%, and then 15%, and so on. In no time, you're going to be able to be saving 20%. When an emergency comes up, you're going to be so glad you did. Now that you have a better idea of what this 50-30-20 budget rule is, let's put this system into place. There are a few ways to get started, but here are a few essential tips you can follow. You must first know exactly what you make, when the money is delivered, and what your payments and responsibilities are throughout the month. If you are lucky enough to have early wage access through the Rain app, setting up a budget can be a lot easier. Early wage access gives you access to your money almost immediately after making it. This is an excellent option for starting to allocate your funds to the necessary sources as soon as they come in. Aside from the 50-30-20 budget, you should be setting aside goals for retirement, savings, and even your wants. There are plenty of different types of budgets out there to choose from. At Rain, we like the concept of the 50-30-20 rule because it's simple enough to start today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do leave a comment or feel free to reach out to Rain's financial coaching team by using the live chat feature on the Rain app. We'll see you next time.